Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $2.260. Okay, there is a continuous fall if you look at from 4-5 weeks. Okay, if you go on a monthly chart also, you will see that it is trying to form a swing and then it is coming down. Okay, looking at this particular chart from 4-5 weeks, it is continuously at the downside with a high of around $3.196. Okay, if you two patterns are forming, that you have to understand here, that a bigger pattern, U pattern, is forming here. After that there is a fall. The smaller pattern is this particular pattern. So two patterns on the downside. Okay, one pattern if the price started going again above a level of 2.5 towards an upside. Okay, so if you looking at this particular overall trend is downside. If we go on a weekly chart, monthly wise there will be a different thing, but on a weekly basis it is on the downside. And if the price started going below a level of 2.0476, a further fall we can see. So probability of crossing a level of 1.6 also we can see. But if the price keep moving over 2.5, we will see there will be an upside, but now it is trading below this level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at the chart of dollar index. See dollar index. Okay, see dollar index, how it is continuously on the downside, you can say. It is in this zone. So now the zone breakout will happen at a level of 103.9. So we will see that it can come down again to a level of 103.8, and then we can see there will be a zone breakout, so further fall. Okay, it has already made a half around 106 and sustained that level, but after that a swing has formed and then it came down. Because the event has come yesterday, we have seen a good volatility. Okay, chances can be high if the price keep moving below a level of $104.5. Now it is below this level, so a further fall we can see towards 104 also. And if that didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 103.8 and then a further low towards 103.5. Okay, so if the price keep moving down below level 104.5, we will see there will be a fall in the dollar index. We can see in the rise in the natural gas price. Okay, of what happens, sometimes they both moves in one direction. This is what happens. Okay, so you can put your SL if the price started going in the same direction, so that your profit also should be saved and your capital should also be saved. Okay, now suppose if it form a swing, okay, or if it sustain above a level of 104.9 or touches a level of 105 and sustain. If the price sustaining above this level, it can move towards $105.3 and then to a level of 106. Okay, and then a probability of moving further upside, we can see that the price can go further high. Okay, so suppose if the price moving above a level of 105.5 and then can touch a level of 106, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so probability of going further upside, we can see if the dollar index started going upside, we can see the natural gas price will come down. Now coming back on again, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its support at a level of $2.140. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see toward 2.0687. Suppose if the price moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 1.94 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $1.85. $1.85 is already being tested, so chances of going towards 1.75 we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see below a level of $1.602. Okay, this level is already being weak support, so chances of going further down we can see. But if a swing form, we can see it can go towards a level of 2.44, and if that didn't sustain, a further upside towards 2.6063 will be there. Suppose if the price moving over this level, we can see it will touch a level of $2.78, and from there a further high we can see towards 2.94. Okay, if the price moving over that particular level, we can see a level of 3.13, and then a further upside movement we can see towards $3.2. Okay, which is half this zone, so chances will be high it will go towards a level of 3.3 and then to a level of 3.5 if the price moving over this level. And as soon as the price started going over this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.